Unlock the fun of language. Jazz Hands, explained. Hello, everyone. Welcome back to our channel, where language learning meets fun. Today, we're diving into a phrase that's as lively as it is visual. Jazz hands. Whether you've seen it on stage or in movies, this expression has a vibrant history and a simple yet powerful meaning. So, let's get our hands ready to jazz up your English vocabulary. Have you ever seen a performer on stage with their palms facing forward, fingers spread wide, and shaking their hands energetically? That's what we call jazz hands. This phrase describes a dance gesture that is widely recognized in musical theater and performance arts. It's a display of enthusiasm, energy, and excitement. The term jazz hands has its roots in the early 20th century. It's believed to be associated with the Jazz Age and the lively, improvisational nature of jazz music. The gesture became popular in musical theater, thanks to the legendary choreographer Bob Fosse, who incorporated it into many of his iconic dance routines. It's all about conveying the vibrant spirit of jazz through body language. In today's world, jazz hands aren't just for dancers. The phrase and gesture have found their way into popular culture. You might see it used to express excitement in a playful and exaggerated way, not just on stage, but also in casual settings among friends, at parties, or even in animated conversations. So when might you use jazz hands? It's perfect for moments of celebration, like when you're announcing good news or showing your enthusiasm for someone's achievements. It's a fun, non-verbal way to say, "I'm so excited," or "Congratulations." There you have it. Jazz hands is more than just a gesture. It's a vibrant symbol of joy and excitement that transcends languages. We hope this video has not only added a fun phrase to your English repertoire but also a bit of sparkle to your day. Keep practicing, keep learning, and remember to spread joy with your own jazz hands now and then. Until next time, stay animated and keep learning.